Welcome back to my daily report analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec. On Friday the 3rd of April, we're going to look at cable now. Cable has been ranging for the last few days, but it certainly seems that that range is now being threatened by this renewed dollar strength that we've got today. Over 100 pips down on the day now on cable, starting to generate some downside momentum. I've said recently that I think closing clear below 50% fib at 23 figure really does open the move to the downside again, and we're starting to see that RSI falling back. MACD and stochastics still rising, but sort of losing that impetus, and it certainly looks as though that this is a downside move that is ready to go. I sort of want to see a close below, I think, 23 figure to suggest that there's a confirmation of the move to the downside and a correction back again. But 2250 was this reaction low from earlier in the week. Again, a basis of support. So you'll see on the hourly chart here, the market has basically been in this range, 23 figure, although a couple of intraday spikes below that, but not sustained. 23 figure to 24.85. So a decisive downside break of 23 figure, which is what we seem to be getting now, would complete that downside and effectively mean a top pattern, and given the fact that the RSI is decisively now below 40, below 30 actually on the hourly, it looks like this is a move that is happening. So we sort of now project initially a 185 pip range lower, so that's 21.15. But you can see that that pretty much coincides with these reaction lows, 21.40 down to 21.30, 21.20 of late last week. So they are a basis of support which would be next as target area to think about. But as I said, a decisive move clear of 23 figure, which 20 pips down now. I think a couple of hours closing below that, which seems to be now developing into, would be that downside break. So payrolls today at 3 hours actually, would be likely to be a volatility event. So watch out for how that affects the chart, but it certainly looks as though increasingly as though that this is now turning into a corrective move on cable and a move lower that would imply around about 21 figure, which effectively becomes breaching 50% fib. You start to think about 38.2% fib, which is 2090. So interesting downside targets there. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars. We've got payrolls webinar today also. So wish you good luck in your trading.